That used to be my yard right there, where that's leaking out of. That's where the drain is supposed to be. And now he's flooded my yard. There we go. More proof.